So we are room 1940 at the Westin Los Cabos. And there's a mirror. There's laundry. And spacious bathroom. Walk in. Ooh, nice white tea. Essentials. Big shower. It's nice. And come out, and here's closet. Extra bedding and a safe. And look at that, you even have a basket for laundry. I love it. And then here's a nice kitchen, microwave, coffee maker, dishwasher, refrigerator, got some stools, bar top. We have the one king bed, and there's the money shot right there. There's your ocean view. It's gorgeous. Nice patio area, sitting area, which I think that is a pull-out sofa. And then got your TV, but you don't come here to watch TV. So, nice, beautiful room.